This is the parking elevator here at the Hilton Waikiki Beach in Honolulu, Hawaii. It's a Westinghouse. Look at this surface mount call station. Ooh. Oh, hello. Nice, a custom Series 1 mod. Oh, look at that. Still has the original fornicator. Whoa. Generator. Ooh. Go ahead. Oh, you can go up. Yep. This one's pretty cool. Fornicator is pretty damaged, but almost every single digit works. I think everyone does, except for the one that's missing. Shit, that one might work too. Oh my god, it works too. Oh, this used to have a dinner bell. This is just the pool. And there's the main elevators.